How to withdraw Robinhood funds instantly. In order to withdraw funds instantly from Robinhood, you can navigate to a transfer menu in the app. All you need is just go to the accounts icon at the bottom right, and when you do that, you want to tap on the menu bar at the top left corner of the screen. And once you do this, you simply want to make sure to select withdraw. As you go to as you select transfer, you just want to choose your bank account. Choose the instant transfer options, which usually involves a small fee. Instant withdrawal are currently supported for selected banks and often requires a linked debit card as well. After which you want to enter in the exact amount that you want to withdraw. Select the bank account and all that, and make sure that you've also linked your debit card. As you've done that, you want to review and submit the request, and that's how you're going to withdraw funds instantly. So this is how you're going to withdraw. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And if you're having any sort of issue, you might want to check your funds as well as your connections and whether that you've provided a correct information or not. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.